Hey Wonderfuls, this is how I keep my dog out of my cat's food and one of my cats out of the other cat's food. The pet dining room system works kind of on a filter method where the big dog can't get into the cat's food and the larger cat can't get into the smaller cat's food. So basically each animal has their own feeding area. The dog food area consists of his food dish on a cut down tomato cage to give it a little stand, and his no spill water dish, which actually kind of helps with the drool when he's drinking from the bowl. I've got a little recessed area of the countertops that I keep the cat's food beneath, and I built a little crate around it to keep the dog out. So the big cat has his side of the cat dining room and the small cat has her side, and he cannot fit into her side of the food area, which is what keeps him out and motivates him to lose a few pounds. And they also have dinner bells, which I kind of regret because they have no problem letting me know when the dish is empty or nearly empty. Goodbye. You. You'll notice there's no water in the cat food area, and I've tried many different things and fountains and different containers, and they just don't drink it next to their food over there. So they've got water scattered throughout the house by the bathroom sink, upstairs and downstairs. So instead of a water bowl, we usually have cat grass in there, but we are growing some more at the moment. I also want to show you the no spill water dishes that we use in the camper van. I made the cat's no spill water dish from a glass bowl with a plastic lid, and I cut out part of the lid and left a bit of an edge on it to kind of keep the water from splashing out. Same concept as the dog dish, except it's got a floating plate in it to also keep the splashing down. And I will leave a link for that down in the description. And now I only have to worry about keeping this guy out of the dog food.